Hello students, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to give you 6 latest defense updates. Number 1, Indian Switch UAV was likely hijacked by Pakistani forces in August 2024. In an incident that has raised concerns over the security of unmanned aerial vehicles, an Indian Army Switch drone inadvertently strayed across the line of control into Pakistan's Bhimbar Gali sector of Poonch district, Jammu and Kashmir, on a Friday morning in August 2024. Sources suggest that this mini drone used for surveillance by infantry battalions might have been hijacked by Pakistani army units using sophisticated techniques involving jamming and software overrides. The Switch UAV, a fixed-wing VTOL, that is vertical takeoff and landing drone, designed for tactical reconnaissance by infantry units, lost control at around 9:25 am due to what was initially described as a technical malfunction. Next. Hydrogen-powered trucks for future fleet. The Indian Army, amidst its transition to electric vehicles for operations in non-combat zones, has confirmed it will not include battery-operated heavy motor vehicles trucks in its fleet. This decision stems from challenges related to inadequate charging infrastructure and the high operational costs associated with battery-powered vehicles for extensive military use. Instead, the military is pioneering a new path with hydrogen-powered technology, collaborating with Indian automotive giants like Ashok Leyland and the Tata Group. Next, Indian Air Force fighter jet strategy, a leap into the past or a calculated move. Comment. The Indian Air Force has recently outlined an ambitious plan to significantly bolster its fighter jet fleet with 4.5 generation aircraft, prompting debate and scrutiny from defense analysts. Ranesh Ranjan, a prominent defense analyst speaking to AFI, has voiced concerns over the IAF's strategy, suggesting that it might be a misstep in the rapidly evolving landscape of aerial warfare where 5th and 6th generation jets are becoming with normal. The IAF has placed orders for 83 Tejas Mk1A and additional 97 units of this 4.5 generation light combat aircraft, aiming for induction from 2025 onwards. Next. No match for Oreshnik, claims ex-Indian fighter pilot. In a bold assertion that has stirred discussion in military circles, retired Group Captain Uttam Kumar Devnath from the Indian Air Force has stated that Russia's Oreshnik missile system is beyond the interception capabilities of Western defense systems like the Patriot and THAAD. His comments come at a time when global tensions are high, with strategic capabilities and defense systems under intense scrutiny. The Oreshnik, described as a hypersonic intermediate-range ballistic missile, is claimed to travel at speed that exceeds Mach 10, making it, according to Devnath, too fast for radar targeting. This speed, coupled with its maneuverability, purportedly renders it impervious to interception by current Western missile defense technologies. Next, Bangladesh's territorial loss and potential demographic shift in India. Recent statements by key Bangladeshi government officials and retired soldiers suggesting ambitions to annex Indian territories might currently be dismissed by many in India. However, these declarations take a new dimension when viewed against the backdrop of Bangladesh's impending environmental catastrophe. By 2050, Bangladesh is projected to lose 17% of its land mass to rising sea levels, which would also mean losing 30% of its agricultural land. And the dire prediction from climate scientists paints a future where millions of Bangladeshis might be displaced, potentially leading to increased illegal migration into India. Next. China's sixth generation fighter jet takes to the skies. In what could be a significant milestone in global aerospace technology, images and claims circulating on Twitter suggest that China's next generation, sixth generation fighter jet has made its first flight. This development comes after years of anticipation and speculation about China's advancement in stealth and combat aircraft technology. The images, which have resurfaced on social media platforms, depict an aircraft with a perfect flat blended wing body design devoid of traditional vertical stabilizing fins. This design is consistent with what experts would expect from a sixth generation fighter, emphasizing stealth characteristics through minimized radar cross section. Thank you.